I won't get into too much detail, but they did a study, I think it was back in the eastern part of the United States with one of the universities, and they found out that you can show people, like they had I think it was the quick corner store study, where people would go in and they'd see vegetables, but they didn't know what to do with them. So I really believe that people need to learn how to cook the vegetables. And so we turned that into an event where we had chefs come out, and then we did a taste of salsas because we have Guatemala and Mexico and Thailand salsas. And it was just so much fun. We had our little gardeners that playing the piano in the garden and the music flowing across the garden. So just getting everyone involved.
And you also had a wedding there. And a vision of having a wedding there.
So picture this. It was in the spring, Greg, when the orange blossoms are falling off the trees, the citrus trees. Those blossoms were on the pathway where she walked, and the smell was unbelievable. We had 90 people at the community garden, and somebody donated some chairs for us to use, and it was so beautiful. The pergola turned into like a chapel. They decorated it. It was beautiful. And now she has a 1-year-old, and I went to her baby shower, or the baby shower and the birthday party.
Nice.